Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video we are going to discuss about an fantastic AI tool which will be very useful for our content writing, and also it will have all the options, that is, it is act like a chatbot, it act like a image generator, and it also have many built-in templates which will be very useful for writing. So let us go on to today's video and explore how it will works out for our academic writing. So the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is the Jaeves AI. So here you can see Jaeves, so you can pronounce correctly. Jaeves is a trailblazing AI powered content generator tool that revolutionizes your content creation journey. It is user friendly, interface extensive, so like that it will give one. So click on that Jaeves AI, so and give on try now for free. So you can try different templates for free. So actually I have already logged in through my Gmail ID. So you can sign up through your ID and then mail ID, and then you can log in through the login option, which will be in the right corner of that Jaeves AI. So here this is the dashboard of this Jaeves AI. You can, this is a chatbot, you can stop here. So here you can see, so this is the chatbot dashboard of this AI. You can see the words left 3000, so images left 10, characters left 1000, so minutes left 10. So these are for free, so you can make use of this option for free. So first see the templates, what are the different templates available in this Jaeves AI. So here you can see these are the classifications: blog, email, social media, content, video, website marketing, ads, etc. So first I am going to click blog. Here you can see blog titles, blog section, blog ideas, blog intros, blog conclusion. So if you want to create a common topic, you can make use of this blog option and you can avail different content for your that is common platform content. So next one is email. So you can see welcome email, cold email, follow up email, email subject lines. Next one is social media related one. So this is Facebook, Instagram, social media posting. Next one is very important. This is we have to watch out for content. So here you can see article generator, content rewriter, paragraph generator, talking points. Next pros and cons, that is next summarize text, product description, startup name generator. So product name generator, academic essay, creative stories, grammar checker, summarize for second grader, text extender, rewrite with keywords. So this is important thing where you can use it for your that is abstract generation. So next one is business ideas, tone changer, dictionary, private policy, terms and conditions, human like testimonial writer. So these are the things which is available in content. So for content it is giving that is main importance, because so there are special templates which is available for content writing. So content writing alone, so you can make use of this option in this to write your content. Next one is video. So regarding video, you will be having video descriptions, titles, tags, video scripts, etc. Next website, related with website you will be having. Next one related with marketing, you will be having templates. Next ads, you will be having templates. So first I am going to click content. So under that content, a new option, it is called human like testimonial writer. So let us see how it will works out. So here you can see human like testimonial writer, human like testimonial writer. So what I am going to do is I am going to copy and paste a random content in that particular topic. For example, I am going to copy this paragraph and I am going to paste here. So let us see what are the options available: low, average, high, like that different options available. So you can increase or decrease the number of text. So maximum result length, so you can decrease or you can increase. So for example, I am going to give it as a 400. After that I am going to give generate text. Let us see how it will works out. So it is a template to generate testimonial for a particular product. So it won't work out for our research article preparation or generation. So you can skip that, and we'll go for the normal options we'll be having. For example, grammar checker. So click on grammar checker. So I am going to copy and paste the text. So here you can see, click it one, creative. So average, low or high. Next one, tone of voice, casual, excited, professional. So I am going to check, that is select professional. Next, number of results, I am going to give one, maximum result length 500. So I am going to give generate text. So you have to go for subscription for grammar check. So we can use only which is for free only. Yes, it is for so in order to use templates, you have to go for subscription option, then only it will generate content for you. So this templates are not for free unless you are go for a subscription option. So let us check what are the different AI chats available. So here AI chat assistant. So here you can see, so the AI chat assistant regarding a travel guide, a motivational coach, stand-up comedian, screenwriter, relationship coach, investment manager, job interviewer, English translator and improver, so tech reviewer. So like that different chat is available. So you can select whatever you want for your AI writing tutor. So next one, AI assisted doctor. So you can see different options for chat also. So let us explore any one of this, whether it will work out or not. So first what I am going to do is, so I would see in here English translator and improver. So here you can see the chat is not enabled yet. So if it is enabled, it will be very useful. So thereby you can select the category and you can make a chat. So next one related with this AI code. So here programming language Python. So these are the different programming languages available here. So you can select your programming language and you can provide instruction. So generate a code for addition of two numbers. So here the code generation is available for free. So you can make use and you can generate basic programs using this AI code. So and also for general content generation, it will be for free. Like that you can blog. So like that you can use this option to generate a common content. When you are going for a particular precise template, it will be go for a subscription option. Next, AI image generation. So let us see AI image generation. Spaceship flying in moon. So I am going to give the same thing which is in template. So you can select the artist name, like that you can select. If you want, you can select. So next, image size, how it will look like. Next, image diffusion, auto. Next, you can select the width. If you want, you can change and then give generate image. Let us see how it will generate image for us. It is still loading. It is not generated yet. Okay, we can move on to our next option, that is AI speech to text generation. So here you can download your audio and then you can convert this into your text. So you can make use of this option to convert your audio into text. So this is a voiceover option, so you can make use of this to give voiceover for your video also. So like that, there are different options available, so you will check out for. So for free you can use up to, actually it is powered with Chatgpt 3.5 turbo, so you can use up to 1000 words, 5 AI powered images, 1000 characters for AI voiceover, 3 minutes for AI text to speech generation, 200 words limit for all text results. So like that, only a limited version is for free. So if you want to use that is more words, if you want to access more words, you can go for this subscription option, that is $4 USD per month. So here you can see 50,000 characters you can use and 500 words limit for text results. So like that, you will be having a better one for your this better option to subscribe for. This is $4 per month. So you can make use of this option if you are using for your just preparing your blog post or any research article preparation or any report preparation. You can make use of this option, this itself enough. If you are going for any business option, you can go for this freelancer option. So all these are powered by your Chatgpt 3.5 turbo. So you can make use of this option and you can avail this Chatgpt chat. And also in this Chatgpt chat you can give proper prompts and you can get your desired results. So this is all about Jaeves AI. So we have tried different templates, but it is go for a subscription option. So if you go for a subscription option for 4 per month, you can, it will be very fantastic tool. So because it has many important templates related with writing alone, so you can make use of this Jaeves AI and you can generate your content for your research article preparation. Hope this video will bring an aware about Jaeves AI. So if you are interested in, you can go on and go for your subscription plans and you can make your writing very easier. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.